Hey guys, once again, this is Travelin' Javelin here, and we're back into the world of tractors. And finally, I have got one that I have been trying to get a hold of for quite some time. My first one was a 73 No Name, or a Raider it's called. Same horsepower, 12 horse Kohler. And this one here I got today, I just put in a brand new battery. It does need a few things, but it's not bad. And the guy told me he hadn't run it in several years. So, I should be able to hit the key here. We have had it running. I can't get over how quiet it is. Listen to that. That runs like a top. I am so happy. No smoke. Got a little pop when we very first started it. Come right out of it. It is awesome. Bring it down to an idle twin stick, 8-speed. I believe this is a 1976, all original. Story was, the guy bought it from today. It was his uncle's, always garage kept. There's a mowing deck, 36-inch rear discharge, and it's very nice. I am loving it. All right, guys, thanks for watching.